everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a Solana network to Metamask. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Metamask app on your phone. Right afterwards, make sure you have signed in as well. Now once you've opened, here in the interface you're going to find this your network listed on top right. Simply tap on this drop down icon beside it. And now you can choose from the listed networks. Now if you simply want to add network, now go ahead, tap on add network. From over here you can simply choose your Solana network. Now as you can see in the popular, it's not listed. Now go to custom network, add in your network name, and once you've added, simply go ahead, add in the RPC URL, their chain ID, symbol, block explorer URL, and tap on add, and you will be able to add yourself. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.